Yeah, so, well...
Hey, you came for me, Joe. The guns blazing. Ga.
Wait.
Yeah.
Wait. It's not justifiable. I'm not here to justify myself, but
you said what
honestly,
you said, yeah.
honestly, to apologize, like... Impama, bait for bait. But
Tit for
sometimes
tat.
I can come too strong, you know? And I was telling Big Brother that I don't regret what I wrote when it comes to Tandeka and Meli. But when it comes to you, I regret it because at the end of the day, we all gossip. At the end of the day, you know, you haven't done anything to me. Let's start there. Oh, Denzanganto, you've been good to me. And we've been having conversation and I was like, I don't see you as the person, as Abantu say you are. And if you notice in that letter, those are not my opinions. It's everyone's opinion in the house. I just put it in one letter. Still, it's not justifiable because it's me that wrote those things. But it came out really mean. My opinion about you is very positive. I was even telling Ilano, Big Brother, a lot of people that I really feel bad. That's what I decided to do with whatever I heard from the radio, which is really bad. So, man, I don't want to ruin my relationship with you, but I understand if it's ruined. Like, I understand if you hate me from now, but that was really... And I'm really sorry. No, man, I'm really sorry. And yeah, it's just things collected that people have been saying, and I wrote them in one letter.